Hi guys, welcome to IT Expert again. In today's video we'll cover how to manage the calendar in Outlook, including appointments, meetings, and invites. The Outlook calendar can be modified to suit own needs. Select View, then choose how many days you want to see at once, including month, week, or work week. To the left is a small month-by-month calendar. Select a week, and the full calendar will adjust to that week. The days in bold are those with activity. You may have different calendars set up for home, business, or one shared with colleagues. These will appear in the My Calendars area. When you select a shared calendar, it appears side by side with your personal calendar. You can also overlay calendars by selecting the arrow button on each calendar. Your calendar might appear in one color, while the shared calendar appears in another. Anytime you need to get back to the current day, select Today at the upper left. Move around Outlook quickly by selecting the icons in the navigation bar. For example, hover over the calendar to see a quick view of your schedule, or select it to see the full view. When you're ready, create a new appointment or meeting by selecting the appropriate button. Clicking on New Meeting opens a meeting window. In Outlook, appointments are just for you, while meetings are for inviting others. To schedule a meeting, select New Meeting at the upper left, add a title and attendees, and pick a time. You can also use Scheduling Assistant to find an open time for everyone by just looking the schedule and selecting an open spot. Otherwise, if you need help, you can use Autopick to find the next available spot. Select Meeting, add the location, and there you go. If you're having an online meeting, select Teams Meeting to add a virtual option. Add your notes or agenda, and when you're ready, select Send. The meeting will then appear on your calendar. There you go. Let's cover meetings more in details for inviting others from the email app. We can schedule a meeting selecting the new email drop-down, then select Meeting, and click on Team Meetings to create a meeting on Teams. Add the attendees in the required field, and any additional relevant people in the optional field, then we add the title and pick a time. You can also use Scheduling Assistant to find an open time for everyone, and select the time to meet, which is suitable for everyone involved. Also, we can use Autopick to find the next available spot. As we are having an online meeting, we select Meeting and the meeting setting window will pop up. Add your notes or agenda, and when you're ready, select Send. The meeting will then appear on your calendar and Outlook will send an email with the team link to the attendees. You can share your calendar with others so they can view details about your schedule. Select Calendar, then Share Calendar, and choose the one you'd like to share. Under Permissions, select Add to decide who can access your calendar. Click on their name to add them in the Add box, then press OK to select their permission level. For each of the apply their permission level by clicking on the name and selecting the settings from the option available. When you're done, select OK to save your settings. There you go. If someone shares their calendar with you, you'll receive an email invitation. Select Accept to view their calendar, and you can even overlay it with your own. To navigate different calendars, go to the Calendar tab, where you will see all calendar available in the left pane. Anytime you select a different calendar, Outlook it will visualize it. You can also tick multiple calendars and Outlook will overlay them with your own. Outlook also allows you to import calendars from Google by looking for a link in Google Calendar, select Options, Settings, and Sharing. Scroll down to Integrate Calendar and copy the secret address in iCal format URL. Open your Outlook calendar. Then from the Home tab select Add Icon from the upper right. Go through the list and select from Internet. Paste the URL and select OK. Select Yes. Your calendar items appear. Any calendar can be turned on or off in the folder pane. Select the arrow to overlay the calendar if you prefer, to the left of the calendar name. You can also import a calendar file. Select File, Open and Export, then Import, Export. Select Import an iCalendar or vCalendar file, then Next. Select the calendar file and choose OK. Select Open as New. Your calendar appointments appear. Select the arrow to overlay the calendar and separate calendar events integrate as a single calendar. Now we see how to search for calendars events. You can search all your calendars for meetings and appointments. Switch to your calendar using the icon in the upper left. Type the keywords for what you're looking for. The results appear below. Keywords can be found in the subject, notes, or attachments. When searching, a search tab appears, allowing you to quickly refine your search by organizer, also by subject, and furthermore if the calendar event has an attachment. For example, here select the meeting to open the attachment. You can also find your recent searches using the Recent Searches command in the ribbon. Bear in mind that you need to use quotations to search for an exact phrase. Select the filter icon for more advanced search filters. Select the X to clear the results and return to your calendar. There you go. Now let's see how categories and reminders can help you stay on track. Reminders pop up to let you know a scheduled event is about to start. The default for a reminder is 15 minutes, but you can update that for new meetings. Select a new appointment or meeting. Select the drop-down and choose when it starts, anywhere from now to 2 weeks out. You can also add a category by selecting the icon. Categories are only seen by you. To edit or create new categories, select All Categories. Check the box of the category, then select Rename and type it in. When you're done, select OK. You can also add a category by selecting the icon. Categories are only seen by you. To edit or create new categories, select All Categories. Check the box of the category, then select Rename and type it in. When you're done, select OK. A shared calendar can help you quickly see when people are available for meetings or other events. Let's look at how to create one. In Outlook, select your calendar. Above your list of calendars, select Add Calendar, then Add from Directory. Select your account from the drop-down menu. Enter the name of the first person you want to add to your calendar and choose them. Use the Add to drop-down to select the calendar you want to add them to, then select Add. Repeat for any additional people you want to add to your calendar. When you're done, close the Add Calendar window. The selected calendars are now color-coded and included on your calendar. To view the calendar side by side, choose the day, work week, or week view. Verify the split view option is selected. To check your group's availability, use the day view. Now we can see when everyone is free. Others in your business can repeat these steps to see your calendar. And there you go. Follow us for more and write on the comments if you have any special requests. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell. Thank you.